In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your calls and your messages using Do Not Disturb. So go ahead and do a swipe up and tap on your settings, then tap on notifications, then tap on Do Not Disturb. From here, you will see allow during Do Not Disturb. So for the call and messages, you want to tap on that. And from here, you see contacts at the top there with the big plus. So if you tap on this, you can basically select the people who you want to add as an exception. So these people are the only people will be able to call you during the night once you turn on your do not disturb. So if you want only your mom, if you want only your child, if you want only your relative, whosoever you want, your husband, your wife, whosoever you want to add as an exception, you can add these people by simple add them to the list. And then once you do so, tap on done, and this person will have the exception that only this person can contact you whenever you have your do not disturb turned on. Now once you're finished, you can just simply go back and turn on your do not disturb or set up your schedule so that it will work. And if you want to go back and remove a particular person, just find the person and just tap on the minus sign on the uppermost left hand side, and that's all there is to it. Now if you scroll down a bit, you also have calls, right? So if you tap on calls, you also can do contacts only or favorite on contacts only, or you can just do it for all. It's up to you, whichever one you choose. Likewise as well, you can do it for messages. You can do you have the same options here. And as well, you have repeat callers. So basically you can do it for repeat callers as well. So for callers that are coming frequently, you can turn this on, and then this will also be set as well. So it's up to you, whichever you want. But the good thing is that you know that you have these options here that you can easily set exceptions whenever you have do not disturb turned on. If you find value within this video, go ahead, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out when I release future videos just like this one.